Topping tonight's Healthier Me is a sign that it's been a rough cold and flu season. So many people are taking prescription cough syrup that there's a shortage of the medicine at drugstores in California. Small pharmacies and big chains alike are facing a shortage of cough syrup with codeine, something that helps people deal with the cough that sometimes goes with the flu. Pharmacy Director Norm Fox says hospitals are mostly unaffected, but sometimes people are being turned away from pharmacies because there's not enough to go around.
More so out in the community, in the retail pharmacies where patients are coming in with prescriptions and basically have drained the supply.
As for pharmacies in the Fargo-Moorhead area, some Walgreens in the area are experiencing a shortage as well. Even some walk-in clinics in the valley are only giving medication to patients who are either under the age of 13 or over the age of 65 because of the shortage.